morning, students. Today we will study about decimal of division. How we divide two decimal number. If any decimal number is given, we have to divide by a decimal number. And question is asking like this: evaluate correct to three decimal places. So first of all, we have to remove this decimal because it is a divisor. So first of all, we have to remove this decimal. According to that, we have to remove this side also. So just write on 4.13 divided by 1.3. For that, here has one decimal places and in this has two decimal places. So just we have to remove these decimal places. Then this decimal also split from left to right. So just we have to write on like this: 141.3 divided by 13, like this. Because one decimal places here also has removed, and here also one decimal places shifted left to right. Here also shifted left to right, and here also shifted left to right. Now it is without decimal. Now we can divide. This is a whole number, and then divide by. Already we know about how we divide any decimal by whole number. We know according to that we have to divide here also. So 13 is divisor, and we have to divide 41.3. So same process we have to follow here also. Just see here, this one is 13, divisor is 13 and dividend is 41.3. So here has 41. So we can divide easily 3 job. 13 3 job 39. So we have to divide by 3 job 39 will come. Now we have to subtract. So here 41 and minus 39. So we will minus, we will get 2 and here 0. Because we will take borrow from here, it will come 11 and this one is 3. So 11 minus 9, 2 and 3 minus 3, 0. Now the point, now here came 2, remainder is 2 and here has already 3 is there. So again we have to divide. For that we have to remove this point. So just remove this point and put in quotient. So after that we have to write on here 3. So the next one is 23 will come. Now we can divide 1 job. So 13 1 job 30. After that we have to subtract. So 13 minus 23 minus 13. 3 minus 3 0. 2 minus 1 1. So 10 will come. After that just you see it is saying in the question correct. We have to find decimal division up to 3 decimal places. So here has only 1 decimal places. We can divide more also. For that we can put one more 0 from ourselves. So 1 0 we can put without any taking anything, doing anything here. Now we can divide 13 7 job. 13 7 job will come 91 and then subtract. So 100 minus 91 will come 9 and this one is 0, this one is 0. After that here has 9 remainder. So again we have to divide by 13 to 9, but we have to put one more point. So just 13 7 we have to put 13 6 78 will come. So 13 6 78. Now we have to subtract 19 minus 78 will get 12. Remainder is 12. After that again we have to divide one more point because the question is asking we have to find up to 3 decimal places. So we have to divide up to 4 decimal places. Then we have to do round off 1 decimal places. So always you have to follow one more decimal places. You have to divide up to extra point. So here has 3 decimal places. Now we have to divide 4 decimal places. So we can put one more 0. So 13 9 job 117. 13 9 job 117. Again we have to subtract 120 minus 170. So 3 will come remainder. No need to divide more because already up to more than 1 decimal places and we have divided. After that we have to round off this point. So for that, if number is asking is given 5 or more than 5, then we have to add here. Otherwise no need to add. Just write down as it is. And here has more than 5, so just we have to divide it. We have to add one more and then remove this number. So 3.176 Now add here plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 will come. So final answer is 3.177. So this is the final answer for this division. Like that you have to follow in second part also. Here also I have given decimal and this side also decimal. Means dividend also has decimal number and divisor also has decimal number. So we have to remove this decimal number first of all, then we have to divide. So that we have to make here whole number. For that 4 decimal places are given and here has 5 decimal places. So we have to remove all the decimal places. Then this decimal places will sit left to right. So we have to write like this 72.4 because this decimal will come at this place and then divided by 892. So divisor is 892 and dividend is 72.4. Now we have to divide by 892 to 72.4. So just write down like this 892 divide 72.4. Now we have to check it can divide or not. So for that here is only 2 number and here is 3 number, means it is less than 892. For that we have to remove this point first of all. So just remove this point and put here in the quotient. After that just compare 724 and here is 892. Again it is less than 892. For that we have to make one more 0 here. For that you have to put here 1 0. Then you have to write down 0. Now it is 7240. So it is greater than 892. Now we can divide easily. For that you have to check by which number we have to multiply and then it will become less than or equal to this number. For that just you multiply by 8 job. 8 job means just multiply 892 by 8. Then you will get 8 to the 16, carry 1, 9, 8 to 72, 72 plus 1, 73, carry 7, and 64 plus 7, 71 will come. Means 7136. So just write down here 7136. Now subtract. From first of all we have to subtract. For that you have to take borrow. So you will take borrow. Then it will come 10. 10 minus 6, 4 will come. This one is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. And 2 minus 1, 1 will come. And 7 minus 7, 0. So remainder is 104. After that again we have to divide because question is asking evaluate up to 3 decimal places. So that we have to put one more 0 here. We can put ourselves. So 1 jar 892 again 1 jar. So we have to take borrow. You will take borrow. You will get 10. 10 minus 2 8 and this one is 13. 3 and then again we have to take borrow from here. Then 13 minus 9 will come. 13 minus 9 4 will come and this one is 9. 9 minus 8, 1 and this one is 0. So just write down here 0. Next, again we have to divide because question is asking to 3 decimal places. For that we have to divide one more point decimal places. So just we can put one more 0 again and then we divide by 1 again. So just write down here 892 and then minus. So we have to take borrow. Again 10 minus 2. 8 will come and this one is 7 and then take borrow from here 17 minus 9 8 will come and this one is 3 again we have to take borrow 13 minus 8 5 will come and this one is 0. So final answer remainder is 588 and percent is 0.811. So this one is the percent. Again we have to round off one more decimal places. So it is a less than 5. So no need to add in this place any number. Just write down here it is 0.81. Sorry, 0.081. This is the final answer. Like that we have to do in the respective questions whatever asking in the exercise number 2K question number 4. Like that we have to do in the question number 4. You have to follow same process in the question number 4 in the exercise 2K. That's all.